Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great. In today's video, I'm going to recreate this look, and this is the Soshti night look. I have done a very gorgeous eye look with peachy nude lips, and you can easily pair this look with both Indian and Western wear. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to apply a primer, and for that I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Primers help to make your makeup last really long. For foundation, I am using my all-time favorite Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover in the shade 02. This foundation is very long-lasting. It is a water-based oil-free whitening foundation and is perfect for oily skin. For concealer, today I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable and using it to conceal my dark circles. Then blending it out with a beauty blender and also concealing my eyelids to create a base for my eyeshadow. Now I am using the same concealer to highlight the part below my contour line, bridge of nose, chin and forehead. To bake my face, I am using a banana powder from ADS and just using it to bake the areas where I used concealer. Till the face bakes, I am doing my eyebrows with Miss Clear Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Now quickly dusting off the banana powder and setting my face with Rimmel Stay Matte Compact Powder in the shade Warm Beige. Starting off with my eyeshadow using this brown shade and applying it on my crease as a transition shade. The palette that I am using is my favorite Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette. Next, taking this shade, I am applying it on my crease for a defined eye look. Taking a teal shade with the help of a flat brush, I am applying it on the middle part of my lid. Now taking this shade on a fluffy brush and using it to blend the eye look so that it gives a little bit more intensity. Next, I am lining my upper eyelash with the Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner in the shade Super Black. It is jet black in color and is very easy to apply. It also stays for quite a long time. I am taking the same green eyeshadow and applying it on my lower lash line and then tightlining both the upper and lower waterline with the kajal from NYB. And then topping the kajal with a black eyeshadow for an intense eye look. For mascara, I am using the Lakme Iconic Eyes Mascara. This is one of my old favorite mascara and is absolutely perfect for daily wear. For contouring, today I am using the contour stick from NYB and the shade is called Raising Toast and Roosevelt. It is a creamy stick contour and I am contouring the usual points, hollows of my cheek, nose, jawline and hairline, and then blending it nicely with a beauty blender. For blush, I am using this orangish undertone shade from my ODBO palette. And then highlighting the usual high points of my face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate palette. Also highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Finishing the look with a lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5 range, and the shade is called Rosy Sunday. This is a very subtle peach shade and looks very flattering on Indian skin tone. To make the look long lasting, I am setting it with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray in natural finish and then dabbing it into my skin with my beauty blender. And this is the final look. I hope you really enjoyed watching this, so please don't forget to like my video, and I will see you all in my next video. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to press the subscription tab. Love you all guys, bye.